Hey guys, my name is Taki Nakasne, the producer of Random Ideas Production, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane. So all you gotta do is you you rip off a piece of paper and then just fold the other and then and this one. And then you fold between them, fold them between them. Um, and you and then fold the other one, and the other one, and you get a paper airplane. So